Markups are a great way to communicate with collaborators inside a SOLIDWORKS file. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, accessing these tools is easier than ever, now with our own dedicated toolbar and tab on Command Manager. You'll also notice that whilst in touch mode, these buttons are larger and easier to select. As always, markups are stored in the Feature Manager tree under the Markups folder. SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes finding specific markup much easier now. The new Hover Preview shows markups of the orientation in which they are created. Once you're satisfied with your markups, export one or many to several file formats, including PDF, JPEG and TIFF. SOLIDWORKS 2020 now supports markups in 2D drawings. The same toolbars and workflows are available, making markups and drawings familiar and intuitive. The visibility of markups can be controlled on an individual basis by right-clicking the context menu, or on a global basis using the View drop-down and the heads-up display. In the past, participating in markups required a touchscreen device. Now SOLIDWORKS 2020 supports devices without touchscreens. Simply use your mouse, click and draw. SOLIDWORKS facilitates effective communication through markups. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, it's easier than ever to use across all files and across all devices.